What's good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another big body banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be making a beat on Bandlab, you feel me? AKA, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make a beat on any DAW. So this is just gonna be a short and sweet tutorial, you feel me? Nothing too major. I ain't finna make this hella long. We finna just get straight to the point. And hell yeah, man, before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on that post notification so y'all won't miss out on no big body bangers, man. But without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, so boom. If you want to learn how to make beats, man, and if you, by the way, this is kind of like for beginners, AKA advanced. Stay tuned, man. So boom, this is how we gonna do it. I'm gonna start off with like a piano. So we're gonna go to our virtual instruments. Now, let's see what key we in. Project key, I'm gonna put it on a G major. G, actually, or like a G minor, actually. G minor, boom. And then we're gonna put the BPM, yeah, 120 a do. Now, you wanna make sure that you're on beat. So I'm finna turn on my metronome, and what a metronome is, it's like a tool that musicians use to, you know, calculate the beats per minute. You feel me? I don't really know how to explain it right, but like, it's just like it helps you stay on beat pretty much. It helps you stay on that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It helps you stay on that track rather than just going into the project and you're, you know, trying to, like, without the metronome, it's kind of going to sound off beat. So this kind of helps you, you know, make everything sound good. But you can quantize it too, but it just depends on however you want to go about it. I just thought I'd let you guys know that. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw my metronome on and we're gonna, you know, get a melody going. Put my count in on, and basically what a count in is when you like record to like lay down the melody. It's gonna like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's gonna let you record it rather than just throwing you in there, you feel me? So I like to use this tool. It's one of my favorites, but yeah. All right, so a little melody there, you feel me? Just something light. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to, you know, slide that over there, slide that to the beginning of the track. And then I'm going to, let me see if they have the quantizer. Okay, so they have a quantizer on here. I don't know if it's really that accurate, but we just finna just, you feel me, go ahead and see what happens. So boom, see if I quantize it. Some light, man, some light. Now, what I did there is I selected all of them, so I got them all selected right now, and I kind of just slid it to the side to fill in like the empty spaces to kind of make it sound a little more alive. Now what I'm finna do, I'm finna get another piano in here. But yep, just get that, quantize it, make sure it's sounding good. If it's sounding good to you, then it's good. All right, see? Now, if it sounded like a little off, then you might just have to quantize it by hand. Feel me? So just... So now that we got that, what I'm finna do is duplicate this, right? And then I'm finna change the piano. so basically what I just did, I just duplicated the melody, and that kind of gives it like a little more different sound. Now I'm finna EQ it down a little bit and cut the high ends out and the low ends, feel me? Now he had made a sampler kit or something like that for like a beat that's 120 BPM. Luckily, we're only using the hi-hats and the drums off this, so let's get it. Now I'm gonna throw my metronome on, and I know this might sound a little complex and, you know, complicated, but once you do it over and over, it's gonna be so simple. I'm finna just do my hi-hats right here. Hold on. Feel me? Now I'm finna duplicate this. Boom. It's just rinse and repeat. Now I'm finna do my kicks. I mean my claps. I know it sounds a little offbeat. That's why we got to come in here with our quantizer. Boom. Now let's see how it sounds now. All right, boom. Let me fix my claps right quick. Boom, 116. All right, rinse and repeat, y'all. Rinse and repeat. Boom. Boom. Now for, you know, just rinse and repeat, y'all. It's that simple. Just rinse and repeat. You feel me? Ear candy. This just ear candy. Boom. That simple, man. Rinse and repeat. But yeah, man. Already quantized those. All right, boom. Now I'm finna, you feel me, make it sound a little better. So I'm finna throw a graphic EQ on my claps a little bit. Turn up the high ends. Throw a reverb on there. You know what I'm saying? Now let's hear the difference. off a phone, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. That is crazy, bro. I just made a whole fucking banger off the phone, bro. Sounding better than some of these producers with $1,000 studio equipment, bro. Like, you feel me? I'm that nigga, bro. Hey, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And you feel me? Stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all turn on that post notification. I'm finna be dropping all the real game on here, man. All my sauce, I'm dropping it all, bro. It's the sauce-a-thon, bro. No ragu, bro. Man, how to make a beat on any dog, bro. You feel me? Now, I know I could have got real deep in that video, but you feel me? I just want to see where y'all heads is at right quick, man. Let me run that video up to 500 likes, 100 likes, 1,000 likes. If it hits either or, I'm going to make a part 2, man. A part 2. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.